How's it going, guys? So in this video, we're going to go over how to get a free VPS to run your MetaTrader 5. Now, I will say this VPS is not the fastest VPS, but it's good for people who are running EAs and don't want to spend maybe $15 to $30 a month, maybe up to $50 a month for a VPS, maybe because they're just running something, they're trying to demo in the software out and they don't want to spend the extra money, or maybe they're not trying to, well, they just don't need a bunch of MT5. So this is gonna be great. I'm gonna go step by step how to do everything from setting this VPS up, which is gonna take you about 3 to 4 minutes, but it's completely free. Then I'm gonna show you how to add MT5, and then I'll also show you how to add, for example, your favorite EA to your MT5 on your VPS. So we're gonna go by everything step by step, guys. So let's get into it. It's from my YouTube. You can click the link below if you want to watch it from this website, or you can bring this website up also while you're following through. But I made this step-by-step guide. It's not a lot of work. I just wanted to be thorough so the people wouldn't have any questions. So I did every single screenshot step by step. So everything I'm going to go over in this video, you can also look below just in case you get lost or you feel like maybe you're better at just taking instructions via steps like this. So first of all, guys, is on step one, we're going to create an Amazon account and Amazon AMS. So you're going to click this button here, and it's going to ask you to sign in with an existing account or create a new account. So you're going to create a new account. I already have an account, so I don't have to do that. But once you create the account, it's going to ask you to select a plan once you create a free account, and you're going to pick the basic support free plan. So very, very simple. You're not going to pick these two. Well, once you do that, you're going to come to an area that looks like this, and you're going to look up something called EC2, and you're going to click virtual server in cloud and click dashboard. The next thing that you're going to do is that you're going to come here to the left hand side and click instances. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to click launch instances. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to name your VPS whatever you like. I'm going to call mine YouTube, just because I'm making it for the YouTube channel. And then you're going to click Windows. So you can click between these different ones. I'm just going to keep it simple and pick the first one they give me. And then you're going to keep everything else the same. And then you're going to click create key pair. You can call this whatever you like. I'm just going to call it YouTube. And then you're going to pick RSA.pem and create pair. You're going to notice that it downloads something called .pem. You're going to need this later, so just keep it there for now. And you might want to save it somewhere later just in case. Somewhere important, like maybe your documents or notes, or email it to yourself. But for now, we're going to need a few, so you don't have to do anything just yet. Next, you're going to click Launch Instance. And you are going to click this button right here. And then you're going to click these check boxes. And then you're going to hit connect. Then you're going to pick RDP client, and you're going to click get password. I just created this, so I'm going to give it 4 minutes before I try to do this. So once you are able to do this part, you're going to just upload your private file, and we're going to upload that PIM file that we had downloaded, and then you're going to just hit decrypt. Now you have your password, your username, and this is your IP address basically. So you can save these 3 things somewhere in like your notes, whatever. Just copy each of these and put in your notes. And then you're going to go to your app store. Everyone's app store is different. And you're going to go look for something called Microsoft Remote Desktop. And you're going to open up the Microsoft Remote Desktop. Then you're going to click plus sign, add PC. You're going to copy this. and you're going to paste that in here. Then you're going to scroll down to add user account, and you're going to add your username, and then you're going to add your password. Then you're going to hit add. You can name it whatever you like. We're going to call it YouTube, since I just been calling YouTube all day anyway. So now we have YouTube. So once you're done with that, you can just log right in. And you might want to pause this. You might still be loading it up. But once you're finally in, you're going to see something that looks like this. I already have MetaTrader 5 downloaded in this free version, but I'm going to show you how to do this also. I'll also show you how to actually add like an EA to your actual stuff by giving you an example of one that I give away for free that people can use on the strategy tester to see how it works. So feel free if you want to use that file. I'll leave the link below to getting that also. But just to show you how to do everything, guys, for one, this is what MetaTrader 5 looks like for those who don't know. So this is MetaTrader 5. Now, in order to upload this correctly, get MetaTrader 5, you're going to click here, Microsoft Edge. And then you're going to, I'm going to click Google. And mind you guys, this is a little slow. So whenever you find it going way too slow for your comfort, I usually just click out of it and then come back into it like this. That's anytime it's like, if it's going clunky or slow, usually it starts to work again like I need to once I do this. Okay, so once you're on here, we're going to just look up MetaTrader 5. Scroll down, look for MetaTrader 5. And then you're going to hit download MetaTrader 5 for Windows. And it's going to give you like a notice. I'm not sure it's going to do this for you, but it does this every time for me. So in order to do this, just click here, hit keep, hit show more, hit keep anyway. Now, once it's downloaded, sometimes it might auto download, but if it doesn't, I'll just click here. Go to File Explorer. This is how you get to all your little documents, just in case you're wondering. And then you just, you can double click here. And then you're just going to hit next. And be downloading your stuff. I already have it downloaded. So you're going to download it. You have MetaTrader 5 downloaded. You do everything that you do on MetaTrader 5. This is actually my EA just running right now in the background from a training I did earlier. But if you go to like File, you can open an account. You can log into your recommended broker. And then just if you want to learn how to actually add an EA, I'll show you how to add my particular EA really quickly. So I'm just gonna just go and add my EA. So what I did was, for one, you're gonna if you click the link below for my EA, you're going to see where you can download it. Once you download it, it's going to, I'm just gonna redo it again right here. So as you can see, how I do it from scratch. So I'm going to grab the actual software. And you can see, once you download, you can unzip it, however you're going to unzip it. And now it comes with these 3 things. I'm going to copy the folder. I'm just going to paste it right in here. And boom. Yes. Since I already have it here, I'm just going to do it again. So now, once you paste your EA into your desktop, just to keep it simple, you can go into MetaTrader 5, I'm just showing you how to set my particular software up just to keep it simple. You're going to go to Files, Open Data folder. I'm going to minimize this just a little bit. So Open Data folder, Files, Open Data folder. There it goes. And then you're going to go to MQL5. And then you're going to go open the Prodigy folder. And you're going to go to Experts. And you're going to just drag the Prodigy over into here. I already have it in here, so it's I'm just going to not do it, obviously. But you would do that for yourself. Then you would go back to Indicators. And then you would bring up Indicators. And then drag the Prodigy indicator over here. I'm not going to do that, obviously. And then, you know, if you want, you can drag the presets. You can just copy and paste the preset if you like. You can hit copy. Let me see, copy. Or you can just drag the whole preset over. But I always like to keep a preset also on my desktop. Just so I might want to use it as a strategy later. Or, you know, copy as a strategy. So I'll just copy it. And I'll keep it over here too. And I suggest you do it also, just in case. And you'll see why if you decide you want to test out this EA. So now that you do that, you're going to just click refresh. And you're good to go when it comes to your EA or whatever EA you did. Now, if you're going to test out my EA, you can find the training on how to strategy test it in my training under the download button or above the download button. But you're also going to add this URL. And you'll find that URL in the link in the description below, also inside the YouTube description. So you're going to copy this link. So how I get there, one more time: Tools, Options, Expert Advisors, Allow. I disable these, add this URL. Now I have my EA, I have my indicator. Only thing you're logged in. If you want to know which broker I recommend, my link below is for the broker also. I like Extreme. I like to use the standard account. I go over a little bit more inside the training if you want to learn how I use this EA with this broker. But that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you set up a free VPS. Now, again, guys, this thing is kind of slow, so you might get a little frustrated with it. But remember, you're not doing a lot with it. Once you have your stuff set up, I would just hide it like this and be done using it. Now, obviously, if you're going to be like using the strategy tester, then you can use the strategy tester and do what you're going to do with there. I'll go over how that works inside the training on how to use Prodigy for free so you can learn how to work it. But other than that, guys, hopefully this video was helpful. Let me know in the comment section below if this was helpful. As far as I wanted to do a step-by-step guide, and so I hope this guide was helpful towards, making sure you guys were able to get a free VPS, and I saved you pretty much $30 a month.